In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Devil May Cry HD Collection FPS issue or bug. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have to resolve problems attributed to the FPS in Devil May Cry HD Collection. Now, a lot of problems stem from the fact that this game needs to run at 60 FPS. For whatever reason, if you aren't running it at 60 FPS, it can either speed up the game or you will get crazy slowdowns sometimes, like when subtitle appears or during cutscenes. So, to properly set up a 60 FPS lock, the best course of action is to go over to the AMD software or the NVIDIA control panel. I have an AMD GPU, so for me, I right-click the desktop and choose AMD software. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, it is going to be similar, but of course, it is going to be the NVIDIA control panel instead, and the menus aren't going to be quite the same. What you have to do is go over to your games, so you will browse through all of the categories here at the top, and you will find the option to customize graphics options. I have the minimal AMD Radeon software installed, so for me I don't have the games tabs, but if you do, you can click on Devil May Cry specifically. Once you select it, you will have to enable the option to limit FPS. So for AMD, it is going to be Radeon Chill. What you have to do is set the idle FPS to something like 30, it doesn't really matter, this is essentially the minimum, and the peak FPS to 60. So this is the FPS limiter that is built into the AMD Radeon software. If you have NVIDIA, you will find the option called Max Frame Rate and you can set it up there to 60. And of course, you should enable VSync as well. As I've said before, if you have the option to do this for only DMC, you should select only that game because maybe you don't want the setting interfering with other games. If you don't have a dedicated GPU and you are using integrated graphics, then sadly, I'm not sure how you can go about fixing the FPS, but as long as you lock it to 60, you shouldn't encounter any problems regardless of the game that you are trying to play from the HD collection. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Devil May Cry HD collection FPS issue or bug. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.